trees high up so tall. Birds build nests, they never fall. Twigs and leaves, soft and round, a cozy home way off the ground. Animal homes, where do they stay? Caves, nests, burrows and hay. Hideouts, big hideouts, small. Every creature has a home for all. Deep in the ground, where it's nice and cool, rabbits dig a tunnel school. Burrows keep them safe inside, a secret place where they can hide. Animal homes, where do they stay? Caves, nests, burrows and hay. Hideouts, big hideouts, small. Every creature has a home for all. In a cave so dark and deep, bears curl up and go to sleep. Winter comes, they hibernate, dreaming till the season's late. Bees a hive make honey so sweet. Foxes in dens hide their feet. Turtles in shells, snails do too. So many homes just like you. It's nice and cool, rabbits dig a tunnel school. Burrows keep them safe inside, a secret place where they can